For the first time ever, gradually reducing the gray from your hair is a real possibility. It's as easy as shampooing your hair. Control GX Shampoo from Just for Men. What's great about this product is that it subtly restores your natural hair color with each wash. So it's great for someone who doesn't want to get rid of all of their grays, or maybe doesn't want to walk into the office in the morning with a completely new look. Just use it like any shampoo until you get the look that you want. And when you're happy with what you see, use it a few times a week to maintain your look. Before we get started, you'll need to read and follow the skin allergy test instructions and safety warnings included with the product. You'll have to perform the skin allergy test 48 hours before your first use of the product, or if you haven't used in 2 weeks. When you're ready to start, jump in the shower and pull off the freshness tab under the cap. Just massage it into wet hair using the palm of your hands, not your fingertips. This will help avoid temporary nail staining. After working the shampoo through your entire head of hair, let it sit for about a minute before rinsing. After you rinse it out, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to remove any leftover product. Rinse off any surfaces that have come into contact with the shampoo. Looking good. Getting rid of gray hairs has never been easier. Now I'm looking to get a little more gray hair gone, so I'm going to continue using Control GX. That'll help me maintain my color and control my grays.